all geared up, ready to go ATV and
Yep.
put your goggles down, see what you look like.
They fog up a little bit, but that's okay.
To be honest, I thought we were gonna look way cooler than this.
Yeah. I feel like an egg.
My name's Austin. I'll be y'all's guide today. I'll be up there in the front the whole time. So before we get rolling, just got to go over a few things. Nice and consistent on that gas. We will have some times where we can open it up, go a little bit faster, ease into that speed. Don't just forward and get there really fast. Sound good? Yeah. Sweet. Pop quiz. What do you do if a mountain lion hops on your vehicle? You just throw it to the one behind you. Sound good?
Little bumpy.
That's cool. Oh, wow. Wow.